Monday's precise and important news. 23 Afghan detainees were freed by Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Ministry of Foreign Affairs says 23 Afghans who went to Iran for religious studies and work, but were detained by the government in the city of Zaidan have been freed. Polio vaccination campaign kicks off in 32 provinces. The Ministry of Public Health said that the polio vaccine campaign will start in 23 provinces of the country today. The ministry said that this campaign will continue for 3 days and 6.4 million children will be vaccinated. A cold storage built in Farah. The construction of a cold storage at the cost of $300,000 in the center of Farah province for the protection of agriculture products was completed and put into use. Government is continuing its efforts to improve facilities for the private sector. The Deputy Prime Minister Maulawi Abdel Salam Hanafi stated during a press conference on crucial financial issues that the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan seeks to give additional facilities for traders, industrialists and the private sector in general. Following ongoing talks with the Supreme Leader of Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, he stated that the key facilities have already been available to support the private sector and address financial issues. Tax has been reduced from 4% to 2% for the private sector. Ahmad Jan Bilal, representative of the Office of the Islamic Emirates leadership in a meeting to create facilities for growth and strengthening of the private sector, said high leadership has reduced tax in this sector from 4 to 2% and support and growth of the industrial sector. He added that based on the special decree of the leadership in order to support and grow the industry, 7% of the contractual tax has been waived for the agriculture, industrial and commercial sectors.